Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to find deleted message just on Viber. So, right now there's no clear way on how to find deleted message on Viber because once you delete it, it will be deleted. But if you have a Viber backup, there's a possibility chance that it will be restored back to your Viber. Now to do that, all you need to do, as you can see right here, we chatted hello. Then we're just gonna delete that. Delete for we can delete it for everyone. Once we delete for everyone, it will be deleted for everyone, or once we delete for myself, it will delete it only for me but not to the other person. So let's just delete it for me. If we delete it for me, there's a chance that when we go to our backup, and it will be restored once we come to the backup. We re-download it and install the backup. So right now, if we delete it for everyone, there's still a chance also. But if we do this, hold, then delete without a trace, what the does do is it deleted itself without a trace, and it will not be located, or it will not have any trace even if you try to delete it with your what do you call this, even if you try to recover it with your um, email drive backup. So now we're just gonna do it for everyone. After we did it for everyone, go back and then click on more. After clicking on more, once you're here, click on settings. After clicking on settings, click on right here, account, then click on Viber account, and we have the backup here. We're supposed to have the backup before deleting it. Click on there, backup, or we can just leave it on automatically daily. What does do, we don't need to click on the backup always. It just automatically backups it. So when you just accidentally delete it, or your friend accidentally delete it, you can restore it back. So all you need to do to restore it, just delete the app, download it again, and log in your number, and wait for the verification code, and everything will go back to here. There you go, guys. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it down in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you. And thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.